Once we finish the defining of the serial port, we can go to next step, define event. In this part, let's try to add an event of controlling the power sequencer. The power sequencer is controlled by control host relay port. So in the define event function, we need to add one more event here. Just click the button on the left top and then we go to the add event page. First, we choose an event type. In here, we always use the bottom event. This bottom event is used to activate the functions. And number 2, the device here, we choose the touch panel we have already joined in the previous episode. And number 3, we add a channel number. Each event will have their own channel number, and the channel number couldn't be repeated. And the following options down here, we just need to choose the push button. So this is meaning that once we push this button, this command code will be sent by the control host to the power sequencer, and then the corresponding function will be activated. Okay, once we finish, we push the add button, and then the system will create the bottom event automatically here, as you can see. So it's a blank event. We need to fill in it with the vary function. So we need to add this on relay function. And behind the on relay, it needs to be 2 buckets and 1 semicolon. This is like a format of this function. It needs to be like this. And in this bucket, we fill in the corresponding name of the functions like mRelay or mControl we have already added in the previous. Since we are using the relay port to control, we choose the relay here. And comma, and we are using the first port to control, so we type 1 here. So these words represent on relay of the first relay port. So what if we need to turn off the relay? It is the same way. We can just copy and place it underneath it. And this number here is the channel number. Remember we told you that the channel number couldn't be the same. If the channel number is repeated, the compile will be not working. So let's just try to change it into 2 or any other numbers. And in the function, we need to turn off the relay. So we change the on into off. And the following letters are the same as the previous one, because we are just try to turn it off the same relay port, so we don't need to change anything. Speaking about the name, as you can see on the left side, there are many names, device name here. You can just double click them to let them appear on the program. Okay, so this is how we do the programming of controlling the power sequencer on and off. We just need to use 2 types of functions, on relay and off relay.